Zhuangwei by Lin368Taiwan. Early settlers cultivate the land diligently. Heaven rewards the day and night workshops. Zhuangwei were divided by 7 parts, riverside scenes for the birds' habitat. Poem by Lin368. The Taiwanese music, culture, food, and art. Today, people are here to celebrate life. This is Linking368 Taiwan. I'm Christina. I'm at the Zhuangwei Living Arts Festival. Let's go! As I jump for joy, this time I've come to Zhuangwei Yilan. This year marks the 6th Zhuangwei Living Arts Festival. With a jam-packed selection of local brands, people gather to enjoy the charm of the countryside. The iconic sand dunes here offer artists endless inspiration for their creativity. The diversity of the artwork has become the highlight of this annual festival. Hello, hi, Yunyi.
Hi.
I'm thrilled to be here today. I noticed it's really beautiful around here. I'm not sure if it's because I had a drink or maybe I didn't get enough sleep, but it looks like that thing is moving.
It is. It moves with the wind. This is a sand dune park. Behind the woods is the long, rugged beach. So the wind here is incredibly strong.
And is this a representation of that?
Well, it's called the floating dunes. This artwork is made from bamboo, then put together on the water. It resembles what we see when we go to the beach. Have you ever noticed how the wind blows across the sand?
Okay.
The ripples are like fine sand being carried by the breeze.
Oh, so this piece symbolizes
That movement as it sways with the wind. The way it floats on the water and the reflections shimmering beneath it create a dynamic interaction. The ripples in the water echo the swaying of the treetops above, all of them complementing each other beautifully.
Oh, so this artwork is deeply connected to Zhuangwei?
Yeah, it's all about the natural landscape here.
Through the landscape artworks of local artists, you can experience the island, sea, sand dunes, plains, as well as the agricultural and fishing livelihoods. Beyond admiring the unique natural and cultural landscapes, you feel as though you're truly immersing yourself in the landscape and becoming a part of it.
The first step is to tie it around the plant from top left to the bottom right.
So upper left to lower right. This is a bird's nest firm. Now we're going to turn it into something like this kind of artwork.
A home decor.
Oh, what do you call this thing we're adding?
It's a type of moss called sphagnum moss. Actually, it was used to grow orchids, but in recent years, with the rise in popularity of succulents and ferns, people started using sphagnum moss as a growing medium since it's perfect for retaining moisture.
Oh, nice. It's basically used to keep plants moist.
Yes, exactly.
So how did you come up with this kind of idea?
Well, there are a ton of ferns at the base, so we just dig them up.
Really? You can do that?
Yeah, from the woods. With a repurposed board, you can just hang it at home.
So something like this can, in a way, add a lively touch to the space?
Yeah, like a cherry on top.
Oh, wow. It's a great experience to attend this festival. To think that you can even make this DIY decor yourself. I do have one at home, but I bought it. So it's very different from making it yourself. It's been a great day. I learned something new and even got to enjoy being here.
So nice.
It's so much fun.
Yes. So being a part of the festival made me truly appreciate this journey that's filled with anticipation and excitement.